Episode 1 of the coin flip challenge. Cleveland or Buffalo? We're gonna be doing the coin flip at 3 p.m. today on my podcast.
Heads is Buffalo, tails is Cleveland. It's flipped, and it is heads.
It's currently 7:30 a.m. Saturday morning, and it's Buffalo time.
I don't know if the GoPro's doing much justice, but we're driving through a monsoon right now. Unreal precipitation. That was intense. Buffalo!
New York, New York.
10:51 a.m. local time. Leaving Bar Bill. I got the hot wings, so I was fighting for my life in there. Feel rejuvenated. Hit the bathroom. 5 stars out of 5 stars. This is the best wing spot in Buffalo. I've been to Gabriel's Gate. I've been to McCarthy's. I've been to Anchor Bar. No place compares to Bar Bill. The one frustrating part about East Aurora, New York is there is 0 cell phone service. It's a very developed town. They have a Pasquale, but you don't have 5G. There's the new, and there's the old. Put Tebow on. That is it. Canada. Little Nipsey Hussle going on over here. I'm about to decimate this porta-john. Well, slight issue. There are actual like pies of on the floor in that porta-john. Many. There's actually one outside the door. There's someone's pants too. So I don't know what to do. I really have to use the bathroom. So I have my passport. Canada's right behind me. I'm gonna walk to Canada and use their bathroom. 2:02 p.m. Here we go. And we're almost in Canada. Fast flow. See how bad the shakedown is as an American. Here we go. Got the lights on. Here they come. Well, I'm here in Canada. That was very intense. I know our relations aren't great right now. They couldn't get over the fact that I walked here. They were very perplexed by that. I'm in Canada, dude. Nothing can stop me. Look at this. Stuck on brick. Here's the bar I'm gonna go to. There really is nothing going on. There's a City Thai restaurant. That's about it. Let's go have a beer. Well, Canada, I've been here about 45 minutes, if that. I assume this is Fort Erie. Canada just has a rusty feel to it. There you go, Canadian Post. Should have an easy walk back to the USA. Let's get out of Canada. I just really thought I was gonna have a good chance to do it over there. I guess not. It's really desolate. I don't even know how you get out there. Open those doors. Let's see what you gotten in there. All right, well, that was it. The US boys were very nice. Told them I flipped the coin and it was either here or Cleveland, and here I am. All right, folks, there you go. Buffalo in the books. Time to head home. We'll see you for our next trip. Thank you all for watching.